This video is about animal testing. To start with, what is animal testing? The majority of people know many medical experiments use animals as model to do some tests on their bodies. But do you know what really happens? Animal tests are common practice in science by using living animals for different experiments. During the process, these animals are made to suffer mentally and physically with lasting harm. For instance, removing body tissues and organs through surgery, injecting harmful substance, and putting them into anxiety and depressing. After the inhuman experimental procedures, the animals are usually killed after fulfilling the scientific purpose. It sounds like cruel, so why some people still doing animal experiments? There are some main reasons that they claim. Firstly, to enhance scientific understanding. Both of the animals and humans perform many important functions, such as breathing, digestion, and reproduction. This means the bodies of them are very similar. People can enhance scientific understandings by comparing the differences and similarities between them. Secondly, as model to study diseases. Mouses can be the effective models of human body since they share 95% of their genes with human. Some animals can also act as model for the study of human illness since they suffer from similar diseases to human, including cancer, food, and obesity. Thirdly, to protect the safety of animals and humans. Determining the dose of the medicines will be given to patients during the first human test and finding out the potential safety concerns are the main purpose of animal tests on new medicines. Testing on animals also used on daily products, for example, skincare products and cosmetic products, in order to protect consumers. Although the reasons for animal testing from the proponents seems like reasonable, I still suggest that animal experiments should be banned. Firstly, animal testing is inhuman and cruel. This is the most important and most obvious reason. Many people think that animals are inferior to humans, since animals do not have thinking and communication skills as human does. Therefore, people don't think that animals need love and care as humans need. However, according to All Animals Are Equal, which is the book written by Peter Singer, animals and humans should be equal, since both of them need food and reproduction. Both of them know how to stay away from pain. Animals used for experiments are usually bred for this purpose. It is cruel. A cat bred for research is still a cat, who could otherwise live a joyful life in a loving home. The process of animal tests is cruel. The U.S. Department of Agriculture reported in 2010 that 97,123 animals suffered pain during experiments while being given no anesthesias for relief. Moreover, there are no place for any animal in laboratories. They are forced to live in cages and without any freedom of movement. Some animals in laboratories are separated and without any companionships with others. Secondly, many proponents of animal testing claim that animal experiments are essential to ensure the safety of medicines used on humans, but the facts may let them down. Why to say that? 94% of drugs that pass animal tests fail in human tests. This means animal tests do not reliably predict results in human beings. So now what is the strongest reasons for animal testing? Thirdly, there are alternative testing methods that can replace the need for animals. Artificial human skin is one of the possible alternatives. That is made from sheets of human skin cells grown in test tubes, which can produce more reliable results than testing chemicals on animals' skin. Moreover, Computer methods can also predict the toxicity of substances without experiments on animals. The non-animal methods can provide more accurate test results to humans, and they usually can cut the cost and time of experiments. If people say animal tests protect the safety of animals, this is ridiculous when we note that the huge numbers of animals are suffered during the experiments. Both rats and humans are animals. Both of them are equal. To imagine how will you feel if people do the same experiments on your family. It is time to stop animal testing.